Think you're a cybersecurity expert? 99% fail this ultimate test. What software secretly encrypts your files? What malware disguises itself as legitimate? Which malware replicates without human action? What software secretly monitors user activity? What malware floods networks with traffic? What grants unauthorized admin-level system access? What virus hides inside Word documents? What malware triggers on specific dates? What virus changes code to evade? When was the Morris worm released? Who created the Morris worm? What was the Morris worm's intent? What flaw made Morris worm destructive? What law prosecuted Robert Tappan Morris? When did the Equifax breach occur? How many were affected by Equifax? What software flaw caused Equifax breach? What data was stolen from Equifax? What failure worsened the Equifax breach? What relies on human psychological manipulation? fraudulent email posing legitimately? What is phishing via SMS called? What is voice-based social engineering called? What targets high-profile corporate executives specifically? What attack leaves infected USB drives? What involves following someone through doors? What creates fabricated scenarios to deceive? What authenticates users with two methods? What scrambles data into unreadable formats? What policy restricts access by role? What protects private networks from internet? What secures internet connections over public? What identifies personally identifiable information? What is the weakest cybersecurity link? What human error causes credential stuffing? What habit compromises physical device security? What prevents unauthorized shoulder surfing attacks? What mitigates risks of lost devices?